Evening, Arnab, and all the panelists and all the viewers. I think there is no greater responsibility which can fall on human shoulders than to become a physician. And I think all Indian doctors and mostly all over the world carry it with great deal of empathy. But somehow or the other, within the Indian diaspora, it's a profession which is taken for granted. I don't think there is any other profession which is more physically, emotionally enduring and challenging. We see life and death. And to see the junior-most doctors not being paid is totally unfair. If you allow me just a minute or no, I think there should be a national policy for a unified pay scale for the junior doctors and RMOs, especially the interns. To be paid 6,000 rupees as an intern, the person cannot survive, cannot even have his own transport, cannot support a family. I think the doctors need medical insurance, they need terminal life insurance, their families need to be looked after in case they die. We are exposed to infections all through the day, and in this moment it's COVID. But I think the doctors need to be recognized, doctors need to be protected. And I think overall, if the doctors are given their respect, the trust deficit between the doctor-patient relationship will permanently go away. And in the end, I will request you through the platform of your beautiful channel, and I will request the government to have a doctors' welfare fund. The people who die in the line of duty in the medical profession, this fund should be used for them. The old retired doctors who don't have any other income as livelihood, they should be looked after.
I appreciate that. Ketan, you're a journalist, but you've often supported the Maharashtra government. How cruel is it for the Maharashtra government to announce pay cuts to doctors in the state health service, medical education department in BMC hospitals on the 22nd of May? You know, why did the Sonia Sena government do that? How can you rationalize that? I mean, doctors, you cut their salaries and you say this is because of the financial crisis due to COVID. I thought you should be doubling their salaries at this period and tripling their insurance. Is there no thinking going on in the Maharashtra government?
I think there was some course correction. There was some course correction that was done later, and frankly, government or no government, the Jalgaon incident is something that is really shocking, and it exposes the chinks in our armor, not just Maharashtra, but even in Delhi or elsewhere, the cases that are coming to the fore and the negligence that are in the government hospital. I feel that on the lines of
500 doctors are infected in Maharashtra with at least 70 doctors infected in the Sion hospital. My question is, and I think I'd like Dr. K.K. Agarwal to do that, you should be doing everything to boost the morale of these doctors. How can you have even a 1 rupee cut? Vimlendu, does it make sense? You know, we speak about these big things, big promises.